Welcome to the Learn English Fast channel. Lesson 1. Greetings. When greeting someone, it's important to match the level of formality to the situation. For formal situations, use phrases like good morning, good afternoon, or how do you do? These show respect and politeness. For informal situations, especially with friends, you can say, hey, what's up? Or, how's it going? Also, take note of intonation. Formal greetings often sound steady and polite, while informal ones are more relaxed and casual. For example, the tone of good afternoon is different from what's up. Additionally, timing also plays a role. Good morning. Use this from midnight to 12 p.m. This greeting is typically used when you first encounter someone in the morning or when beginning your workday. Good afternoon. Use this from 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. It's appropriate when you meet people after lunch and before evening. Good evening. Use this from 6 p.m. until midnight. It's often used as the first greeting when meeting someone in the evening or in social events. Good night. This is used only when saying goodbye in the evening or before going to sleep. It's not a greeting, but a farewell expression. Hi, hello. These are more neutral greetings and can be used at any time of day, whether formal or informal. Remember, informal greetings like hey or what's up can be used at any time of day, as they don't depend on the time. Additional greetings, how are you? A very common and polite way to check on someone's well-being. It's often used after the initial greeting, like good morning or hello, how's it going? An informal alternative to how are you. That's often used in friendly settings. What's new? Another informal greeting, asking if anything interesting has happened recently. Long time no see? A friendly greeting used when you haven't seen someone in a while. Response variations. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? A common polite response to how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? A more casual, friendly response. Not much, just relaxing. And you? Used to respond to a casual what's up. Formal versus informal greetings. Formal dialogue. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm great, thanks for asking. Are you heading to the meeting later? Yes, I'll be there at 10 a.m. See you then. This exchange shows a polite, business-like conversation with a clear structure of greetings and responses. Informal dialogue. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just grabbing coffee, and you? Same here. Want to join me? Sure, let's go. This dialogue shows a casual exchange between friends or acquaintances. The tone is relaxed and friendly, and the conversation moves quickly. Tips for using greetings effectively. 1. Observe the context. Attention to the time of day and the relationship you have with the person you're speaking to. This will help you decide whether to use a formal or informal greeting. 2. Be polite. In more formal settings, such as work or when meeting someone for the first time, it's better to use more formal greetings. 3. Match the tone. If someone greets you informally, you can typically respond in the same way. But if they greet you formally, it's best to mirror their tone. Thank you for joining Lesson 1 to improve your skills. 1. Listen again and repeat each sentence aloud after the speaker. 2. Practice these dialogues with a friend, or record yourself to check your pronunciation. 3. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss future lessons. We hope to see you again in the next lesson. Keep practicing and enjoy your journey to fluency.